Hi guys, welcome to TechFilm channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to find comments on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube first. After go to YouTube, if you wanna find a comments on YouTube on specific video, choose that video first, like this one.
नाम का लठ रख रखा है उसको यूएस सब यूज तो ऐसा.
Now if you want to find the comment on the video of this specific video, all you have to just scroll down and you can see the comments here. Okay, so easy. And if you want to find the comments on shorts, you can do this too. Just click on these shorts and you can see here this option, this box is comments option. Click on this and you can find all of the comments here. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.